What's up guys? Today we're going to show you how to install SuperATV's hood scoop on this Kawasaki Mule. Let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is come here to our hood, rotate our quarter turns, just like so. And we're just going to flip our hood over here. And if you look on the bottom, there's a little plastic washer that is a split washer. This little split washer, you just split it in half, just like so. Pull it off of your quarter turn pin and remove it completely. We'll repeat the same step for the opposite side of the hood. Now we're going to remove our outer two 10mm bolts. We will discard these. So now we're going to grab our hood scoop. Just go ahead and lay it up on the machine for now. Now we're going to grab one of our brackets and we're going to attach this bracket to here, so that way it'll connect to the factory threaded hole that we previously removed our hardware from. So we're going to use our short Allens, slide them through from the outside in. Like so. We're going to grab our nylock nuts that are provided in the kit. Go ahead and get them started. Then we'll get our bracket lined up with our factory threaded hole. Grab another one of our short Allens. Just go ahead and get it started. So now we're going to take our bracket, get it sitting here just like this. Take our block off plate. If you'd like to install it, you don't have to. If you block off this area, you're not going to get any airflow through the cab. If it starts to get cold, you can install the block off plate. So it's cold outside today, we're going to go ahead and install the block off plate on this machine. So we grabbed our long hardware here. We're going to feed it down through where the hood attaches in the factory position. Just like that. And then on the bottom, we'll take a nylock nut, get it started. Just like that. Now we're going to grab our short Allens, line up our block off plate to our bracket, slide our hardware through, grab a nylock nut, and attach it on the back side. Then just repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Now we're going to grab our clip nuts, take our clip nut, slide it on just like so. Now we're going to fasten our hood scoop back here using our factory threaded holes with our new hardware. Then we're going to tighten our brackets right here. Tighten this hardware up. Tighten our hardware here.
So now that all of our hardware is tight, we're going to grab our hood, line it up in the factory tabs up here, and then take our thumb screws and thread them right down into the clips that we previously installed. Just want to get these nice and snug. So once you have all your hardware fully tightened, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's hood scoop on this Kawasaki Mule. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today. And while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.